Hi, this is Vera Penn. Today is Monday, June 1st. Wow, I cannot believe it. It's a whole new month already. Well, today I and my mom are going to cook seafood salad. Yummy, yummy. I love seafood.
เราหอยลวก
Food salad.
วันนี้ทานซีฟู้ด4 อย่างไว้นั่น
So for seafood salad, we boil the seafood. Right now, I am boiling mussels. Next, we boil this. Before you boil it, you cut it into slices like that
เพราะมันทำให้นิ่ม
because it makes it soft
ทำให้นิ่มและกินง่าย
and easy for you to munch and swallow it.
อันที่3ก็เป็นปลา
We boil fish.
ปลานี่ก็มีวิตามินดี
Because fish has omega-3.
บอยไม่อยากทอดเพราะมันมีน้ำมัน
We don't want to fry it because too much oil and too greasy.
The
Fourth, we boil shrimp.
บอกทำง่ายๆซีฟู้ดมีอะไรเหลือในตู้เย็นก็มาลวก
Seafood salad's very easy. All you have to do is whatever seafood you have in the fridge, you just boil it.
หรือจะนึ่งก็ได้
You could boil it or you could steam it.
แต่มันเสียเวลาลวกเลย
But boiling is faster.
ต่อไปเราทำเรซซิ่ง
For the salad dressing, you need 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon dry chili.
สลัด
For the salad itself, there's iceberg lettuce, red onion, red bell pepper, and green bell pepper. And for my seafood, mussels, squid, fish, and shrimp. You could use any seafood. You could use any seafood you like.
เรซซิ่งอย่าหมดครับ
And now I'm putting in the seafood. I'm putting in fish. Some squid. Mussels. Sprinkle it on there. And I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar.
ถ้วยนั้นเลยถ้วยใหญ่เลยถ้วยเทวันลง
Now Mix it a little bit and put in 1 teaspoon of salt, and then 1 teaspoon dried chili, and then mix it a little bit until everything's dissolved. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm gonna pour it on top like this. There we go. I'm going to do a taste test. Sorry, I was swiping the fly. Well, anyway, back to the salad. This salad is very good. It's tasty, munchy, spicy, and fresh. When you boil the seafood, it gives it a very fresh seafood taste and very munchy. And with the vinegar, salt, sugar, and dried chili mixed together to make the dressing, it gives the salad a very flavorful taste. Well, that's it for my video for today. So if you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more food videos. All right, see you next Monday. Bye.